Hello everybody and welcome to Explorer Hop. Today we have a table of values in front of us and we're being asked if the relationship that it demonstrates is a linear one. And as a rule of thumb, we know that if the first differences are constant, then the pattern is indeed linear. So let's go ahead and calculate the first differences here. So let's label this column FD. 11 minus 13 is negative 2. 9 minus 11 is also negative 2. 7 minus 9, negative 2. And 5 minus 7 is negative 2. Therefore, the first differences are constant and they are negative 2. So this pattern is linear. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.